Recording alert. Fateh, शेयर करून सुरू करू का रे? कपिल, मॅडम चालू करू का मी? टेन्शनच नको, संपत आलाय टायपिंग. Hello, continue the sessions after interpretations of internet. Interviewing the clients. Your client is a patient. Here, firstly, whenever you go for the taking the medication history of related to the medication to concern patients, firstly introduce yourself, then inform to the clients or patients regarding reason for their collection of history and medication list of concerned patients. The information source for collection of the medication history of concerned patients from patient itself or from family members, from medication vials or packs, medication list, community pharmacy, medication profile from other facility, and drug program information networks. From these sources, you have to collect the necessary information related to the medications of particular patients. While taking the necessary informations, you have to ask some questions. These are the some questions. While you have to interview to the concerned patients. Firstly, which community pharmacy do you generally use for the purchasing of medications prescribed by the concerned physicians? Any allergic to the medications and what was the reactions? If any medicines, पाते आवाज येतोय तुमचा? If any medicines having the allergic to the particular medicines and what type of reactions generally asked, and which medications are currently taken by concerned patients. For currently medications, name of the medication, which medication currently prescribed by the physicians, dosage form of that concerned medications, amount, how are they are taking, means which route you have to take the particular medications prescribed by the physicians, how many times a day, either BID, TID or OD dose as per the dosage form of concerned medications, any specific time, means particular antibiotic, for example, any antibiotic generally prescribed during the evening sessions. That specific time you have to record it. For what reason particular medicaments are given by the physicians? That type of questions you have to ask. Apart from current medications, what prescription medications are you taking regularly? That questions you have to ask to the particular patient for collection the informations. OTC product, non-prescription products taken regularly or on the basis of whenever the needed, the OTC products are consumed by the patients. Any alternative medicines taken on regular basis or whenever the needed particular patient, that medicines are taken, and which other supplements are taking by the patients, that information you have to collect it by asking this type of questions. While taking the medication history, some tips you have to follow. for collection of the information from the patients. First is balance open-ended questions with yes or no questions. These are open-ended questions to the patient. These are the some tips. No one can ask in the examinations, give the tips taking during the medication history. Just for the knowledge, these slides are enter in your sessions. Ask non-based questions, avoid leading questions, explore non-compliance responses, avoid medical and avoid judgmental comments. These are the some tips you have to take on during collection of the medication history of the patients. Another tips, various approaches can be used like 24-hour surveys, morning, lunch, bedtimes, review of the systems, link